Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today I have a post review of FG Normal two canvases and one DIY craft. Okay, but before that, welcome to new subscribers. Welcome everybody, new viewers and returning viewers. Please, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can have you can get notified of the video. Remember, you always can choose to watch the video now, but at least you don't miss anything that might interest you. So, and also I have playlists with all the craft that you might be interested in, and you can comment on them, even though they're probably a little old, but you can comment on them and you can request any demo. Okay, well, without further ado, let's get into this. So this one is not been a long time ago yet. Let me put this on the side. Let's talk about this one a little bit. This one, I thought it was springtime or something like that, but I understand this has all the seasons. You got spring, you got summer, you got fall, and you got winter. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. And look at the gamut of colors that they have. Beautiful color. This one was so much fun to do it. Also, no problem with the drills either. And also, this one has Mod Podge on it. And look, you can see a little bit of the shine of the Mod Podge leaf in the background. These are beautiful. Look at these sunflowers. It's interesting. The strawberries. Okay. Which are good in the summer. Here is the fall, the pumpkin, the sunflowers. These look like it's part of a poinsettia. This one over here. This is winter with his gift and his berry, holly berry. I think it's a drum. Beautiful. Look at the birds with the key, the birdhouse. I love this bow. I love this one. This one was so much fun. This is spring with the tulips. I like that. Bring me such a good memories. Here is the summer with the butterfly, the strawberry, a poppy. It looks like it's a poppy flower. A poppy seed. These are beautiful. These are beautiful, beautiful. It was so much fun. A lot of rhinestone, like you can see. A lot. Beautiful. To hang it outside for the whole year. And you don't have to worry about, Now we got two that are appropriate for the season. Take a look at this one. He's so cute, the cat going behind the little kid with the pumpkin. The pumpkin, I think, is bigger than the kid. But this is so cute. This is also was fun to do. This is a 30 by 30. But the elements came out okay. The cat. The eyes you cannot see it, but hardly, because I should have put a white on it. Maybe I change it. Although it's already sealed with Mod Podge, I don't like to touch them when they are like that. But isn't that cute? The guy carrying the happy pumpkin. Yeah, they're taking me home to eat me. And then this another one. Oh, this one is a goofy one. I like it. I got this one because it has an owl. And I love owls. This is a 30 by 40 partial. But look at the whole bunch of drills it got. A lot of stars. Also was, let me get you closer for this one. Also there was a seal with Mod Podge. And look over here, you can see the background shinier. And all type of special drills and rhinestones. Take a look at this. The hat. The hat has ABs on it. Okay, black ABs. I like his face. He's like the snowman of fall. But he's not a snowman, he's a pumpkin man. Pumpkin man. In this case, pumpkin woman. Just look at the flowers and the hat. Even his mouth has the black ABs. It turned out beautiful. Look at the owl. It is so beautiful. All kinds of special drill, colors appropriate for the Halloween and the season of fall. Here's a web cup. Another pumpkin over here. I don't know what is this. I don't know, honestly, what is that. If you know, you can tell me. This is another pumpkin. I don't know if they're a ghost or something. This one is inside the web cup, but I don't even know what they are. Beautiful. Goofy one. Seriously. Okay, this is, let me show you back again. This is one of them. These are a Ginomo. This is a special drill for the season. This is also appropriate for the season. Okay, and this is the red that is for all season. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. Beautiful. Well, this is it for FG Normal. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. And don't forget to hit the like and share and comment, please. Comment help us. I like when I see comments. I love it, and I love to respond it. And I only take about at least 48 hours to respond. So thank you again. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.